My cereal never gets soggy. And with the Oval, you'll never have to eat soggy cereal again either. That first crispy bite is the best. And with the Oval, every bite is the first bite. Let me show you. The Oval uses a unique spiral slide design. All you do is swoop and scoop. It's not like any bowl you've ever seen before. The Oval is perfectly designed to be held. With the textured rim and thumb shelf, holding the Oval is easy. It's great to use while you're watching TV or eating in bed, and my kids absolutely love it. Plus, I save money because I don't pour out soggy, uneaten cereal. My Oval paid for itself in less than a month. But wait, there's more. I always wanted to say that. The Oval isn't just great for cereal. It's also perfect for soup and crackers, yogurt and fruit, or my favorite, milk and cookies. You never have to eat soggy cereal again. Order your Oval today.
Too hard. But we were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tease. We set down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am. Waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am.
Making eggs makes a mess. They stick to the pan, they flop when you flip, and the yolks always drip. And after you cook them up, there's all that cleanup. What you need is the Roly Egg Master, the fast, easy, pan-free way to make perfect eggs every time. Just crack, pour, and Roly Egg Master pops up delicious eggs in minutes. It cooks your eggs just like a real pan, without all the butter, fat, and mess. Look at that! And what makes Roly eggs really great is their new easy-to-eat shape. Make a delicious bacon and egg Roly for breakfast. or a vegetable egg white rollie for a healthy lunch. If you can make toast, you can make a mouth-watering rollie treat. Just crack, pour, and watch them pop up in no time. The secret is vertical cooking technology that combines a cylindrical non-stick cooking surface surrounded by a revolutionary heating element, so your eggs pop up hot, fluffy, and perfectly cooked. And because of their round shape, you can take them for a quick meal on the run, or serve up bite-sized party fun, or cut them to add fantastic flavor to salads and sandwiches. And eggs are just the beginning. Make a tasty rollie burrito, a perfect pizza rollie, or a cinnamon rollie for a delectable dessert. It's perfect for the office, RV, or dorm room. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Stop making all this mess and let Rollie make perfect eggs that taste their best. During this special TV introduction, you get the complete Rollie Eggmaster cooking system with the Rollie recipe guide for just $39.99. Call or log on now and we'll include the Rollie Chop to create delicate Rollie omelets. Just pay separate processing and handling. But hang on. Be one of the first callers and we'll take $10 off the price. You get the complete Rollie Eggmaster cooking system, plus the recipe guide and the Rollie Chop. An incredible value, all for just $29.99. Call or log on now.
Cutting and slicing takes forever. What a mess. And cleanup is a pain. Introducing Clever Cutter, the 2-in-1 knife and cutting board that chops and slices food in seconds. The razor-sharp stainless steel blades slice through food quickly and easily. Unlike scissors, Clever Cutter's secret is the power pressure handles that automatically open for quicker, easier slicing to cut through food fast. Clever Cutter cuts up to 10 times faster than ordinary cutters. Just look at the difference. Quickly chop an entire Cobb salad. Slice pepperoni and cheese with ease. Cut potatoes for hash browns for a quick, easy breakfast. Cut onions so fast you won't shed a tear. Quickly slice spicy sausage and peppers for a divine dish. The wide mouth even cuts bread beautifully. Wide enough to slice apples. Top eggs with veggies for a healthy, excellent breakfast. For lunch, carve a classic chicken Caesar salad. Slice steak in seconds for a quick, delicious dinner. Garnish your favorite dish with fresh herbs for meals bursting with flavor. Making soup takes forever. Now slice veggies right in the pot for a savory soup. It's the only knife you'll ever need to create all of these no-mess meals. Blades so sharp they cruise through corn on the cob. Dishwasher safe. Cleanup is a breeze. Clever Cutter even has a locking safety hinge for clever storage. Introducing Clever Cutter, the 2-in-1 knife and cutting board that chops and slices food in seconds.